Hello everyone, welcome back to page Mantimanjay's Arrive. My name is Kun. Today I'm gonna share you 4 vocabulary words and finish lesson 30 that talk about going to the doctor. Are you ready? Let's get started. So in the first word is medicine. Medicine. Medicine spelled M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Medicine. For example, my friend takes the medicine 3 times a day. Medicine. And word number 2 is surgery. Surgery. Surgery spelled S-U-R-G-E-R-Y. Surgery. For example, the doctor has recommended surgery. Surgery. And word number 3 is operation. Operation. Operation spelled O-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Operation. For example, the doctor said, I will need to have an operation. Operation. And the last word is dizzy. Dizzy. Dizzy spelled D-I-Z-Z-Y. Dizzy. She felt dizzy from spinning in circles. Dizzy. So repeat after me one more time. Medicine. Medicine. Surgery. Surgery. Operation. Operation. Dizzy. Dizzy. Good job, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for your learning English with me today. And if you want to learn with the full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. See you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.